Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Martin Romero, and in this video I will be telling you guys a little bit about myself. First of all, my background. I'm born in Mexico. I come from a state that's located in the southern part of Mexico, called Guerrero, Mexico. I'm from a small town up in the mountains called Yexla that has a population of about 10,000 people. Um, Even though I was born in Mexico, I came to the United States at a very young age, the age of 5 months, and I've basically lived my entire life in Pomona, California, up to about last year when I purchased my first home in the city of Fontana, where I currently reside. I recently got married last year. My beautiful wife's name is Gloria. We have been married for about 6 months now, and we are expecting. We are due in July and are still to find out the gender, so we're excited about that. We should be finding out sometime this month. My family. My family is everything to me. They inspire me to better myself, and they've been there for me through thick and thin. This is my sister, this is my dad, that's myself at my Cal Poly Pomona Raza graduation. This is my mom, wearing shades because she was crying the whole time. This is my little brother, my beautiful wife, my cousin, who is a professional soccer player in Mexico now. And these are my other two cousins and my brother hiding in the back. Interests. I love sports, especially soccer. That's my passion. There's not one day that I can't go without checking scores, watching highlights. I need to know everything about soccer. My second favorite sport would be basketball. My two favorite teams are America, which is a Mexican league soccer team, and FC Barcelona, which is a Spanish league soccer team. And obviously the LA Lakers. I'm a diehard Laker fan, and I'm excited about the trade that just took place today. So uh, I'm hopeful that our Lakers are back in contention for a title soon. Um, Also, traveling. I love traveling. This is me in Portugal visiting FC Porto Stadium. It's myself with my cousin after winning our Thursday night soccer league. This is a picture I took when we landed in Hawaii with my fiance. Well, fiance at the time. That is where I proposed to her. Um, this is my wife and I at the Grand Canyon a couple years ago. This is me in Santiago Bernabeu Stadium in Madrid, Spain. This is where Real Madrid plays. And this photo down here is me with my class in China, which was an awesome experience. I had about 3 years ago. I had the opportunity to teach a 1 month long English program in China, which is pretty awesome. And this photo was taken in China as well, at the Great Wall, which is behind me. You can barely see it, but this is a dream come true to me. It's one of the things that I always wanted to do, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to do it. My education. I graduated from Cal Poly Pomona in 2014. I have a bachelor's in kinesiology with a emphasis in pedagogy, because my interest is in teaching physical education. At the University of Laverne, I began in the fall of 2014, so right after I graduated from Cal Poly Pomona. Here at Laverne, I recently earned my single subject teaching credential in PE, and I'm currently completing my master's degree in education, this is one of the last two classes that I have to take this semester in order to graduate. where I am now. I've been subbing for a few years at Pomona Unified, where I've done different long-term teaching positions. I've taught math, I've taught science, I've taught PE, but I know that even though I like being in the classroom, PE is where I would like to be the rest of my life. I feel confined when I'm inside the classroom. I feel I can't breathe, and I am looking forward to job hunt soon. So in the upcoming months, ASISA is an after-school program I actually work for as well. It's an interscholastic sports academy that serves students and part of a TLC program in the District of Pomona, which is awesome. I basically get to teach physical education after school to students ranging from kindergarten all the way up to 8th grade. Well, this was a little bit about myself. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a question down here, leave a comment, and I look forward to getting to know all of you guys.